Hey everyone, these are the magnetic eyelashes without eyeliner and I can't wait to try them. So let's be honest, going to the salon to get your eyelashes done can be a lengthy and pricey process, so why not do it at home with a professional eyelash that takes seconds to apply. So these are magnetic and they actually stick to each other, which makes application super easy, and I can't wait to try them out. I've tried ones with the eyeliner and it gets so messy and it never sticks, so my hope is that this is going to be a little different. Of course, that the application is going to be completely another type of application, so we're gonna learn how to do them and try it out for the first time ever. So both of the sides of this applicator are magnetic themselves, so you're gonna stick one of the magnetic lashes on top, one on the bottom, and put your eye in the middle and close it up, in which both the magnets are going to attract each other and close on your eye, which sounds a little scary, but honestly it couldn't be easier. So these are the lashes right here. As you can see, it comes in these glittery cases and they are totally reusable, you guys. It comes with 4 pairs of them. As you can see, there is a smaller pair and a larger pair, and there's also wispies as well. These are just looser ones that you can use, and it's gonna make it look less full. So you guys, go check these out. These are incredible and I can't wait to test them out and wear them, because the removal and putting them on is going to be so simple.